Hi there, I'm Adrienne Osborne. I'm a vocal coach in Denver, and this is your 2-minute vocal tip. This one is an interesting one because you can do it anywhere. You can do it in the elevator and freak people out. You can do it in your car. You can do it on the bus. You can do it backstage before warming up for your gig, even if you don't want people to know that you're warming up. Although if you're a singer and you have a gig, why wouldn't you want people to know you're warming up? Oh, this is also a great one for helping you find your mix, because finding your mix is going to require consistent breath support, which this one does require, and it's going to involve having your mask working for you, this area right here. So we're going to say the word hung. So say that, hung, and then you hang on that NG, hung. So we're going to do an HNG, just drop the U, hung, hung, and we're going to hold on the NG. The point of this one is buzz. You want to feel kind of a sense of buzz in your face. You don't want to feel tension in your throat, as usual, and you want to feel like you are pushing the pitch up with air, not with your throat. So you want it to sound something like and not The way this goes is pretty much like this. And guys, you can start an octave lower if you need to. So I'll do a few with you. Now you want to make sure you start with that H. Not That's called a glottal onset, and that's not going to give you the airflow that you want for this one. It's like you're saying, thinking, All right, we'll keep going. Starting there. Feel free to keep going higher if you like and work your way back down. But it's been 2 minutes. That's your 2-minute vocal tip. See you next time.